My gosh, man.
Let's go.
So we'll blend this till we get like a like midline between smooth and rough. Next thing I'm going to be talking about is the fish, and I actually smoked my own mackerel. You can watch the video on how I smoked it here. It's a short, so I just did a little video, and this is what we're going to use. The way I put it here is how it's usually done in the Nigerian markets by, you know, those who sell it. They use the toothpick to pierce the mouth, like both of the mouth, while putting the tail in so it closes. Really smart. It smells so good. Like, honestly, you guys need to try the smoked mackerel recipe. It is crazy. Like, it is literally crazy. I also have some cooked, like very well cooked, very tender beef. It just falls off, that I'm going to add alongside the fish. I just boiled it with some spices. Okay, I just boiled it with curry, thyme. I used the bouillon cube, a little salt, and white pepper. Yeah. Next, for the leaves, I chose, usually it's African spinach that I use, but I can't get African spinach where I am, so I used regular spinach. But I also added in some mustard greens. Efo is basically stewed vegetables, so you might as well use like regular like vegetables or vegetables you can find around you, but traditionally it's African spinach only that is used. And these are frozen, by the way, and they have been staying in my freezer for quite a while, and I wanted to use them up. I'm also going to add something that is almost a taboo, almost completely preposterous. Let me show you guys. Green onions. I'm literally going to be adding scallions into this. Don't knock it till you tried it. Don't knock it till you tried it. Well, I haven't tried it, so I'm not knocking it yet. But I'm going to let you guys know my honest opinion, because I've had this in my fridge for so long, and I really don't want them to go to waste. I'm just going to add them to the spinach pile. Alright, enough talk. Let's get cooking. I cannot tell you how good this smells. Oh my lord. I think we're ready. Next, I'm going to make the Eba. And it's boiling. I take it off the heat. So next, I'm just going to pour in the gari. That's cassava flakes. Honestly, the amount of gari you put is completely dependent on how soft or soft you like the texture of your Eba, of the Eba you want to achieve. Usually, I put till there is like some water left, because I like it to be a little bit softer, not too hard. I think I want to add a little bit of more hot water here. I'll just cover this and let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. It's a messy game. It's a messy game. Yeah, this texture is perfect. Takes me all the way back home. All the way back home. Usually we use something called ibako. It's bent and it's really good at shaping swallow. But I don't have that. So I'm just going to, because I have to do it for y'all, I have to make this pretty. There we go. The beauty. My gosh, man.